Good morning, children. So this is Anuradha. Is with the first lesson. Actually, in the previous class, we have gone through our division work as the alphabets and the Barakhadi words, all this. So now we are going with the lesson Pathshala and bus stand. These two are only for reading. Pathan Hetu. Pathan Hetu means only for reading. So Pathshala means we know that it is a school, and bus stand means complex, bus complex. So what happens in these two situations? So once we see the Pathshala first. What is Pathshala? Pathshala means a school. In the school, we can find the classroom, and in the classroom, the teacher and the children. So teacher naturally will teach or clarify the doubts, and the children, they will ask their doubts or whatever they want to write it on the board or read from the textbook or the notebook to write it. Whatever they want, they will do it. So here this is the classroom situation, and one boy is writing the letters, and what he has written on the board, a, l. And here the teacher is sitting and explaining something from the book, and the four children are along with her. So these four children are there learning, reading, and knowing what is that. And one boy, two boys are here. They are just seeing, looking into the textbooks. And one boy and the girl, they were writing the letter alphabets on the floor. And here one boy is peeping through the window. And here one boy and girl, they have written, here some words were there with matching of these pictures, they were looking at it. So what is there? The word ka, la, ma, kalam. Kalam means pen. Pen picture is given. Ma, ta, ra, matar. Matar means pea. Peas. That is that vegetable. I, na, ka. Ainak. Ainak means spectacles. Fa, la, fal. Fal means fruit. So here this is the situation about the classroom. And in the classroom, we know the people, children, what they will do in the class. So this is a Pathshala. And then coming to that next picture, this is bus stand. Bus stand means bus complex. So when we see the bus complex, we can find that many buses will be coming and going, and people will be carrying their luggage and boarding into the bus, and according to their destination, they will board into the bus and they will reach to their destination. So here we see that one boy is taking his luggage, and one old man, and some people, and here the buses are there. Here you find one bus, it is written Vijaya Nagaram. So when we see this, this man, he is talking with the conductor. So they want to find out where these buses will move, what this, all this. So here, this is the situation of the complex. So naturally, we know that complex means how that complex will be. Very rush, busy, noisy, with bus horns and all the people will make the much noise to go and board into their bus. All this we can find. So this is the situation of the bus stand complex. Now coming to the next slide, here we can see that pictures were shown. So you must know what is these pictures and what is the color of this. So here we can see that mango. So what we say mango in Hindi? So mango's color will be yellow. So this is the basket. What we say the basket in Hindi? Tokri. And then this is the anar, pomegranate. So what we say pomegranate in Hindi? Anar. So she is a girl. So what we say the girl in Hindi? Ladki. And these seeds, these pomegranate seeds, in which color it is? It is in red. So lal dana. Dana means seeds. So lal means color. So red color. When we'll see this picture, this is the one instrument of the carpenters. So what he will do? He will use this to cut the whatever wood he wants to, when he want to cut that one, he will use this one. This is called as a saw, SAW, saw. Saw in Hindi we say it as a ara. So here you find, just observe it, when you are saying here you have used a ki matra, badi a ki matra. When you said that anar, here in the na also you have used a ki matra. Lal, in that also you have used a ki matra. Dana, a ki matra, both da and na also. Here ara also, here in this a and ra also you have used a ki matra. So finally this lesson, it depends on the a ki matra words. So we now see this lesson. What is this? Le lo, Aam means already you have come to know. What is aam means? Mango. Le lo means take it. Again, aam. So take aam, you take, like that. So here it is a small, like a poem. It's a small poem. I'll just recite it. You will listen it carefully. एक छोटी सी लड़की देख रही थी टोकरी. एक छोटी सी लड़की देख रही थी टोकरी. टोकरी में क्या है? अनार है या आम? टोकरी में क्या है? अनार है या आम? दिखने में है पीले पीले, दिखने में है पीले पीले. नाम इसका क्या है? नाम इसका क्या है? एक छोटी सी लड़की देख रही थी टोकरी. टोकरी में क्या है? अनार है या आम? दिखने में है पीले पीले. नाम इसका क्या है? So this is the poem what we have decided. एक छोटी सी लड़की, a small, छोटी means small, लड़की means girl. Already we said in the previous slide. एक छोटी सी लड़की, small girl, देख रही थी टोकरी. टोकरी means basket. What she was seeing? She was seeing the basket. टोकरी में क्या है? What is there in the basket? अनार है या आम? What is there in the basket? Either pomegranate or mango. दिखने में है पीले पीले. How it is looking? Yellow color. नाम इसका क्या है? If it is yellow color, what is the name of that fruit? And we have to answer here, आम. So once again the poem. एक छोटी सी लड़की देख रही थी टोकरी. टोकरी में क्या है? अनार है या आम? दिखने में है पीले पीले. आम इसका आम है. So this is the lesson what we. So in this lesson, then you will see a small house. Here that a small, it means a big tree. Then a girl sitting in that on near the house. And she was looking at this lady, which she was carrying the mangoes in the basket. So you have to find out from this lesson all the amatra words which is given in the previous slide and in this lesson also. So amatra words, what you find? Anar and am in this. And then naam. Then iska, also aki matra. Then yeah, aki matra. So like these words, you have to find and write in your notebook. So next exercises we go with the next slide. Next this one. So thank you once again.